In this video, we are going to see a quick solution of this error RPC executor service through an error. So we will try a couple of solutions for that, and one of them might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you need to close all the pages that are open and then go to your favorite browser again and just go to Gmail. Now I'm supposing here that you're facing problem in creating the Gmail ID, right? So all you have to do is, if you're using Brave browser especially, you have to turn the shields down and then you can use another account and click on create account for my personal use. And once I try to mention my details, let's click next. Click next. And now we will create our own Gmail ID, for example, and now we can see that the issue is now resolved. So same thing, you have to make sure that there are no ads blocker or some kind of shields installed, whether you're using the Chrome browser or Edge browser. Also, you can try clearing the cache or cookies and it should work for you. So this was a pretty straightforward video. I hope it helps, and if it helped you, just comment down below if it works, and I will see you in the next one.